welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today we have a ramp for dogs, elderly dogs that are having some problems with their back legs. And we happen to have an elderly dog named Riley who's been having some problems with his back hips and back legs. He pulled a really good muscle probably a month ago, and it's having a hard time repairing. And part of the problem is we live in an RV, and getting up and down those steps I think is probably reharming it every time he does that. So we bought him a ramp. And so we are gonna put this ramp up. The cool part about this ramp is it holds 400 pounds. So my wife and I can use the ramp also. We looked long and hard to find a ramp because we only have one door in and out of our RV. So we had to find a ramp that would hold our weight also. So that's the best part about this ramp, is it holds our weight too. So we can all share the same ramp. So let's open this up. Okay, get this out of the box here. Looks great, looks very sturdy from first glance here. All right, so we have it out of the box right here. So I'm gonna lay it on this side. There's a little strap, a little button strap right there. Lay it down like this. And then we have to get the puppy, which is Riley. We have to walk on this.
Come on, buddy.
Oh,
boy.
Boy. Oh, that feels nice, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. So like it said in the literature, this holds 400 pounds, so it will hold me and one step, I guess. That seems pretty safe there. Now let me walk on it, so I'm going to show you guys. This is what we're going to do. Walk on it.
Oh, we're going to go in the house.
Walk down.
Again.
Go up again.
Go in the house. Good girl.
Good girl. Walk on it. Walk on it. Come on. Oh, yeah, good boy.
Good job, Rye.
Boy. Yeah, walk on it. Oh, is that good?
Nice.
Walk on it.
Good. You don't have a treat. Good job, buddy.
Boy.
Good job.
And there you have it. Training a dog, and he can do it now. That's awesome. He's the boy we're worried about. So go out and get yourself a PetSafe.